Hi, friends! Welcome to Word Wonders. My name is Adi, and together we'll learn how to pronounce. We'll learn 5 words today. Yay! I am excited! Are you? Come, let's meet our chef, Miss Sugar, in the kitchen. Hello, Miss Sugar! Today, me and my friends want to learn to pronounce few kitchen items.
Hi, Addie and friends. Sure, why not? Let's get to it. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called peeler. Let's learn to say peeler. Say it slowly with me. Peeler. One more time. Peeler. A peeler is a tool used to remove the skin of fruits and vegetables. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called earthen pot. Now, let's try earthen pot. Say it slowly. Thun. Pot. Now faster. Earthen pot. An earthen pot is a clay pot. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is ghee pot. Next, we have ghee pot. Say it with me slowly. Ghee pot. Now faster. Ghee pot. A ghee pot is used to store ghee, which is a type of clarified butter we use in cooking. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. It's called wok. Let's say the word wok. Start slow. Wok. And again, wok. A wok is a round cooking pan used to stir-fry or cook delicious meals quickly. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called spice box. Finally, let's learn spice box. Say it slowly. Spice box. Now faster. Spice box. A spice box is a container that holds different spices to make your food tasty and flavorful.
So, friends, today we learned to pronounce 5 kitchen items. See you in the next class for more words. Please, like and subscribe to keep learning.